England, in every borough of London. I would like to let you know something. In life, you have to be very careful, especially when you're a single person, you live by yourself. You know what I mean? Even the people that repair our front key doors, even the council that gives us property, even your lodger, even the house owner. You know what I mean? You have to be careful with what is inside your house, because in this country, you know what I mean, they say so many people are crazy. Certain people, even when they see somebody acting foolish, dumb, thieving, squatting, or you know what I mean, entering people's property, they ain't got nothing to say because they're scared, or he or she is a madman, a man feel in trouble. They got this system they call snitch, whistleblower, you know, but reality is anti-Semitic also. You know what I mean? Members of anti-Semitic, the joint team. But you know what I mean? You have to be very careful. Me, I live by myself. You know what I mean? I see certain things so strange. So I like to share with you as well. You know what I mean? To save you as well as I try to save myself.